Okay then, a quick extra video. It's just I was gonna do this, and then I thought to myself somebody might find this useful, so I'll do it on video. Right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna replace the pinions in this chuck. Anybody who's watched the channel for even the last few weeks knows I've been having trouble with the pinions in this chuck. They kind of rounded out, and I eventually got new pinions. I'm not going to go into that. That was the story in itself. Right, I've done this on an old chuck, so and they're all the same. Right, what you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver, your new pinions, and a set of C-clip pliers. Right, these ones I've been knocking around the shed for ages. They're a faithful set. Anybody who just wants a cheap set, who doesn't want the not professional or anything like that, not even close to professional grade, these are handy because they come with 3 different heads. Right, for some reason they come with 2 flatheads, I don't know, but depending on what way you set it up, they'll either work for the ones that need to be opened or the ones that need to be closed. Right, so on the back of the chuck, right, this is a Supernova 2. Right, on the back of the chuck there's a retaining clip, which is normally a pain in the rear to get out. I think I've got it first time this time. That's good. These are normally a right pain to get out. Now, doing these are really simple. It's really quick to actually do it. So if you have a chuck that's a bit dodgy on the pinions and you're worrying about doing this, don't be. Right, they're really quick to do. Right, you take out that C-clip, right, turn it over, shake out that. Right, sometimes like on my old chuck there was 2 more C-clips here and here, but there isn't on the Supernovas. This plastic ring does all the work. Right, there's your 2 pinions. Push them out. Grab your new ones. Push them in. Put the black thing back on. Put your split ring or C-clip or whatever you want to call it back on. And that's it. Quick test. See if it's working. It is. Right, and that's it. It's that simple to change the pinions in a chuck. So that's how you do it. As I said, I've done this before on one of my old chucks. It's really easy to do. If you're having problems with your pinions, they're not all that expensive if you can get them. Supernova in Europe now has them on their AliExpress page. Right, there was a bit of a story to that, okay, but they're on there now. Right, I'll leave a link below to anybody who's looking for Supernova pinions. Whatever other brand of chuck you have, you're gonna have to find the pinions yourself, because I don't know where to get them. Right, so if you found that useful or got nothing out of it, if you wouldn't mind leaving a like, and I'll see you in the next one.